Hello, my little stars. Today we've got a board full of colors with our special color puzzle. Are you ready to sort them with me? We have yellow, green, blue, and red circles, bright and cheerful just like you. Yellow is the sun shining bright. Green is the grass under our feet. Red is the apple, oh so sweet. Blue is the sky. Let's sing along. Yellow, green, blue, red. Yellow, green, blue, red. Can you help me count the circles? Let's press them down as we count. Ready? 1 yellow, 2 yellows, 3 yellows. Yay! Now, how many greens do we have? 1 green, 2 greens, 3 green. Good job. How many blues do we have? 1 blue, 2 blue, 3 blue. Yay! And the reds? Let's count. 1 red, 2 reds, 3 reds. Fantastic. Push them down, let them pop. Up they jump, non-stop. Down they go, up they rise, like little suns in the skies. Here's our level 6 card, with lots of colored dots. Yellow, green, blue, and red. Let's find their spots. Press the yellow, place the green, now the red. There you've seen. And don't forget blue, right here on the board. Match them up, and you've scored. Colors, colors, they're so fun. Let's say them again, aren't we having a run? Yellow like sunshine, blue like sky, green like trees, red like strawberries. They're all a breeze. Now sing with me. Yellow. Can you say yellow? That's right. Yellow like a bright day. Good job, green. Show me green. Yes, green like a frog. Blue. Can you say blue? And red. Find something red. Red like a rose. Great finding. We've had so much fun on level 6. You're all amazing, clever, and quick. Next time we'll discover new colors. Maybe white like the light or pink like a flower. Say bye-bye to the puzzle. Our time is done, but we'll come back soon for more color fun.
Click that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and join our family of little learners. Share this video with friends to spread the joy of learning. We can't wait to see you again for more.